In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go live on YouTube from your phone. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go live on YouTube from your phone. I'm going to show you all the available settings inside, and how you can also schedule live streams for a later date. So first of all, what you'll need to do is head over to your YouTube app. Once you open up YouTube, you will obviously be on this page, and if now I head over to my channel, as you can see on the bottom bar here, there is a little plus icon, and all you simply need to do is click on that. Once you click on that, you will get this little menu here where you have a couple of options. You have upload a video, create a short, and you'll also have go live if your channel does meet the requirements. So all you need to do now is click on the go live button, and once you click on go live, the first thing you'll be presented with is to create a title. So for example, I will put in tutorial. Once you have entered in your title, you can choose whether you want it public or private, and if you are live streaming, I am assuming you want it to be public and to be seen by your subscribers and viewers. Next down is obviously to choose whether it's made for kids or not, and the last option there is do you want to restrict your video to an adult audience. And right down there at the bottom, you will see an option now for more options. So if you click on the more options tab and you scroll down, as you can see now, there's an option to schedule for later. So if you check that option there, as you can see, you do get an option to schedule it for a different day and a different time. So if you want to schedule it for a different day, you can click on the date and then say, for example, on the 21st of July, and then click OK. And then you can also change the time, and you can go ahead and go around the clock, or you can change it to the digital. So for example, you could put in 12:30 and then click OK. And then after doing that, my live stream will now be scheduled for the 21st at 12:30. And then you can also click on advanced settings. Once you click on advanced settings, you do get a couple of options. So you can go ahead and disable your chat. And you can also click on enable monetization. So obviously your viewers will get ads if you do enable this. Once you have gone through all those settings, what you can do now is simply go down to the bottom and click on the next icon. And then what you will get from here is you will get an option to add a thumbnail. As you can see, it's counting down now, and it has took a photo on my mobile phone camera. If you want to retake this, all you simply need to do is click on the pencil icon. And then as you can see, you can click on edit settings, retake thumbnail, or you can upload a thumbnail if you wish to do that. Once you have gone through all that and you are happy with all the settings you have entered, you can now click on the go live button. And if you have scheduled it for a later date, your subscribers will be able to see when you have scheduled it for. And if you are wanting to go live straight away, once you click the go live button, your live stream will be up and running. So that's how you can go ahead and live stream on YouTube from your mobile phone.